So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Okay, the next video topic is Lyft Express Drive worth it? Is this one you picked up?
No.
Oh, I picked this one out?
Yeah.
Okay, is Lyft Express Drive worth it? Driving for Lyft. This is, should you rent a car to drive for Lyft?
No.
No?
I don't think so.
Drive and earn by renting a car through Lyft's Express Drive program. Using cars from our partners at Flex Drive and Hertz, it's never been easier to drive with Lyft, but it's never been easier, Izzy.
I just, what I don't understand is why do Uber and Lyft even offer this?
For people who want to work, but they don't own a car.
Yeah, if you don't have a car, and why would you even want to do Uber or Lyft? Why not get any other job where you don't need a car? It literally makes no sense to me. Why this is even an option.
Izzy, the truth is coming out.
To work.
Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah. I mean, you could argue the same thing though about even if you do own the car, because you're putting all the expenses, all the car expenses, you're paying for all of that to work too though.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know, with this, okay, let's say you're financing a car.
Yeah.
At least at the end of the day, you get to keep it. Or if you decide to quit Uber and Lyft, you still have a car. But with this, it's
But a lot of other jobs too though, let's say if you're working in construction or something, or you're working I don't know, you're a farmer or something. I don't know, you're in the fields. All right, let's just use construction. You work for a construction company. They usually will provide some form of stipend. If they don't give you a company truck, they'll if you're using your own truck, they give you extra money to cover the cost of that truck.
Yeah.
There's no other job that I know of where they're you have to drive. Imagine you're working construction, they're you have to drive. I mean, that's not a great example because you're at the job site for way longer. But they even still, it's a decent amount of driving, and they still provide. It's way less than doing Uber, and they're still paying for that because they know it's a real cost.
Yeah, even for some of these outside sales jobs where you have to be driving, sometimes these companies will give you a company car, or they'll pay for things for your car.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is how much they cost. You could get a premium electric vehicle for only $319 a week. That's only like $1,300 a month.
Only. That's like
Well,
rent for an apartment.
yeah, and you have to
Please,
apply,
guys.
and they might reject you as well.
Yeah.
They might not even accept you. A mid-size one, 164 a week. I think this is cheaper than Uber though, because the Uber ones, I don't think they had an option for 164 a week.
It didn't, but this is before fees.
And
too.
taxes, yeah. Displayed pricing is not final and subject to taxes and fees. Frequently asked questions. What's Express Drive? It's a program that helps people rent a car with Lyft. You know, actually, I've met a lot of drivers when I take Uber and Lyft as passengers who they're like, oh, this is a rental. I'm using this to drive for Lyft because I don't have a car. And they're like, I just drive. Some of them say, oh, I just drive like 2 days a week to cover it. And then I just use it for personal use after. So they're like basically getting a free car, but they're like obviously working to pay for it.
So it's not really free.
Well, instead of like buying a car, they'll just use the Lyft Express Drive. So that's how they, afford the car. But they'll just work like a couple days a week to like pay for it. Because look at this one, 164 a week. You could make that in one day doing Lyft. So let's say you just, okay, I'm going to drive 1 day a week to pay for it. And then the other 6 days, now I have a free car.
But it's not okay, then what makes it any different from like financing a car?
The difference is the maintenance is covered and all the oil changes and everything is covered. And if anything happens, you'll get a new one. So you don't need to pay for any of that stuff. You just need to pay gas.
I still think like 164 a week is still a lot. Like my car payments are like more than half of that.
Yeah. But like let's say that you can make $164 in like one evening. You drive from like 8 p.m. to like 4 a.m. on like a Friday night. I don't know. I think if you could make that in one Friday night, maybe it's worth it. And then there are other 6 days of the week you have a car that you can use at your own disposal. That's my argument. But I personally wouldn't do it, but I do know people who do that.
Interesting.
Is there a deposit required? Yes, there is. How much you got to cash out?
I think it's like $50.
Oh, that's not bad.
Is
there an age requirement for Express Drive? 25.
I'm not old enough.
Yeah. It's Lyft safe? I hope so. Okay, anyways, comment below if you think it's worth it. Personally, we give it a no, it's not worth it. But in some occasions it could be.